Okay, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a vortex, and a vortex looks like this. Now, for me personally, the vortex was literally one of the hardest moves to learn at the beginning of my hoop journey. And the reason why is it's kind of a bit of an awkward move. So while this feels nice and natural, and you can feel the timing of it, this move's got a few different elements to it. So firstly, you want to get used to putting your hands in and out of the hoop. So looking for the gap. Now, it doesn't matter if you put your hand down and leave your hand in the hoop. In fact, I recommend this as a means to build up on some skills that you're going to need later down the line. So, hooping to my left, I can see that there is a gap on my left. And I just want to get used to the timing of putting my hand inside of that gap and taking my hand back out. And in and out. And same on the other side. So I'm looking, it's a little bit more tricky because you don't have all this space at the front. So you kind of got to look for the space towards the side of you here, as opposed to the front left. And just get your hand in and out. Don't worry if you knock the hoop down, it's going to happen. It's going to happen multiple times. In fact, in your entire hoop journey, you're going to knock the hoop down multiple times. It's fine, just pick it back up again and start hooping. So just getting used to putting the hands in and out, both of them in, both of them out, and just get used to that feeling. The reason this is important is because when it comes to doing a vortex, you're going to need to put your dominant hand behind your back, at the small of your back, and grab the hoop and bring the hoop up. The reason I had trouble with this move is because bringing the hoop from the back across the front of the body and up doesn't feel so natural. And the trick to it is, so when you grab the hoop, you want to pull your hand forward to the front of your body as far as it will go, and then push up. Now there will be a slight fumble in your hand as you get the hoop from being round your body to being above your head. But don't worry, you will fling it across the room, you'll fling it across the garden, it's fine, just go and pick it up. It will soon become natural to you and it will click. So, again, hooping to my left, dominant hand, going behind the body, and you just want to get used to just grabbing and stopping the hoop. So that's all I'm doing. Just grabbing and stopping the hoop. Okay, cool. First stage done. Back to it. Just want you to do that a few times. Don't worry about piecing all of the moves together. No. Just practice. So, once you feel comfortable doing that, you're feeling comfortable with the timing, get your hand behind your back, grab it, pull your hand forward and up. So here we go, I'm going to go grab, pull forward and up. I'm ducking out of the way because this hoop is gigantic and it's also really heavy, and you'll probably want to duck out of the way of it too. Whatever feels comfortable. You can work on ironing out the kinks and making it look beautiful and seamless once you've got the move down. Don't worry too much about that right now. Just get used to that feeling. So again, I'm going to show you from the side. And from the back. I'm going to show you from this side too, for bonus, because it feels wrong to not do that. Once you bring it up, just bring it into what is called lasso. And I'll show you a little bit more about lasso in my next tutorial. Once you've got it up here, just change over your hand. So the other hand is pushing it around. Grab it, when the hoop is over the top of your body, so there's this gap right here, and bring it down and throw it behind you. I rushed over that, let me show you again. So we're bringing it up to the top of the body. The hoop is in front of my body. The space is in front of my body. I'm going to change over to the other hand and start to bring that hand down across my body, and then you just need to throw it back this way. It's kind of hard just to do that on its own, but I'm going to show you. When you do it all as one move, you have the momentum of the hoop spinning that way anyway, so throwing it back down is a lot easier. So you're going to bring it up, change hands, and bring it back down. Again, the bringing it back down goes, your hand will be across the front of your body. You literally just want to diagonally bring it down and throw it in the direction of your hoop, in the direction that you're hooping. So from here to here. So just with the hand movements, you're bringing the hoop from the back of the body up and across, changing hands and bringing it down and back. So it's like that. Feels really weird to do it without a hoop, but I hope that's kind of helpful and explains it. If you want me to break down this move anymore, just let me know. I can always make another tutorial if it doesn't make sense. But I had actually the biggest trouble just with bringing it up and across my body. It's a pain. Work on it. Don't worry if you fling the hoop. It's all practice, practice, practice. And you'll be learning essential skills anyway. So every time you drop it, you learn from it. If you find yourself getting frustrated, walk away. Walk away for 10 minutes, take a break, do something else, make a cup of tea, don't mind, and then come back to it. Gives your brain time to process how to do the move, and then you might come back and find that you're actually a little bit better at it. So again, bring that hoop up, changing hands, and bringing it down and across the body. I hope that really helps. Good luck on your hoop journey.